Good morning and assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Students, today I am going to deliver my lecture on the topic of conjunction. So do you know what is conjunction? Students, look at the topic carefully. Junction. Do you know what is the meaning of junction? Junction means the place which connects two places. Right? So in the same way, students, a conjunction is a word that joins two nouns, phrases, or sentences. There are three types of conjunctions. So let's see its first type, coordinating conjunctions. These join similar structures together. Noun plus noun, phrase plus phrase, clause plus clause, sentence plus sentence, prefix plus prefix. So students, you can see here for and nor, but, or, yet. So you can see the first letter of each these F or for F, the first letter F, A, N, B, O, Y, and so. So remember the acronyms FAN boys. Okay, so you can see this example, she wore a hat and a cat. So you can see noun plus noun. Hat is a noun and a cat is a noun. So phrase plus phrase. How this is used in phrase plus phrase. We couldn't decide whether to go by car or by train. And clause plus clause. I don't like ice cream, nor do I like popcorn. Okay, here you can see the first clause, I don't like ice cream, and the second clause is, do I like popcorn? And sentence plus sentence. He went home for she had made him feel sad. Students, the English language has 7 coordinating conjunctions and they are easy to remember if you can just remember fan boys. Okay, so for. So explains reasons or purpose just like because. So look at the example. I go to the park every Sunday for I love to watch the ducks on the lake. And adds one thing to another. She sat next him and listened quietly. Nor used to present an alternative negative idea to an already stated negative idea. So nor is used for negative idea. Tom neither confirmed nor denied the rumors. But it shows contrast. She wants to buy a car, but she can't afford to. And or present an alternative or a choice. Which do you like better, apples or banana? Okay, this you can see here the choice or alternative or choice. Yet introduces a contrasting idea that follows the preceding idea logically. I always look at this example. I always take a book to read, yet I never to turn a single page. So indicates effect, result, or consequence. I'm hungry, so I am going to get something to eat. So students, coordinating conjunctions are used to link or join two words or phrases that are equally important and complete in terms of grammar when compared with each other. So the sentence or words do not depend on anything to give themselves meaning. For means because and is used in addition to nor and not, but, however, or either, yet, but, so, therefore. I already explained you the example of these. Students, correlative conjunctions are simply pairs of conjunctions used in a sentence to join different words or groups of words in a sentence together. They are generally not used to link sentences themselves. Instead, they link two or more words of equal importance within the sentence itself. So, look at the examples of conjunctions both and. Okay, so look at the example of both and. This house is both large and cozy. Either or. Either you will eat your dinner or you will go to bed. Just as I love film, so does my brother love sports. Neither nor. He is neither employed nor looking for a job. not only but also. Not only will I see your $20 but also raise your $30. And whether or I'm going to help you whether you like it or not. No sooner than I had no sooner lied to you than strangle a puppy. And in the same way, students, you can see all of these. If that is the case, then I am not surprised about what is happening. And rather than she had rather play the drums than sing. Students, our next type is subordinating conjunction. Subordinating conjunctions or subordinators are words that join different clauses into complex sentences. We carried our raincoats, it was cloudy. This is independent sentence, both of these independent sentences. So we carried our raincoats since it was cloudy. So we will join it with since because both of these are independent sentences. So since is subordinating conjunction. And it was cloudy is the dependent clause. A subordinating conjunction begins a dependent clause and connects it to the independent clause. We carried our raincoat since it was cloudy. So subordinating conjunction is since, which joins independent clause. And you can see the subject and predicate. Subordinating conjunctions, there are a lot of subordinating conjunctions. Students, for time and place we use after, before, when, since, till, until, as soon as, while, once, whenever, where, wherever. And cause and reasons we use the subordinating conjunctions like as, because, since, so that, now that, as if, as thought, in order, that, lest. And concession and contrast we use though, although, even though, whereas. And for condition and comparison we use while, if, unless, then, whether, as much as, whereas. Students, I hope you understand the subordinate conjunction also. So students, I hope you understand the topic conjunction. As you know, the coordinating conjunctions, you know that you just keep in your mind the fan voice, okay? Because all the first letters are started. You can see here for F and A, nor, and the first letter. You can see all the first letters F, A, N, B, O, Y, and S. It becomes fan voice. So it will help you to learn which words are is used for coordinating conjunction. Okay students, I hope you understand the topic conjunctions. Take care.